He wanna fuck with that.
Bad bitches, mad bitches.
Well, man, you know that
He wanna fuck with that.
Bad bitches, mad
Tell me to
bitches.
pull up with her. Just wanna have fun with her. He can't get enough of her. With my bitches, they all giving pad. If you lose me, then you went outside. How to know where that bad bitches at? We outside acting bad, and if he acting stupid, then we leave him right where he at. What? Tell me to pull up with her.
Alright, welcome back to another maintenance vlog. In this clip, I'm dyeing my hair black because it look a little ashy. It's dry looking. Black just make it look better. Even though I'm not going to have my real hair out, still, I just wanted to dye it black. So I've been growing my hair out since spring of this year. I cut it off because I didn't want perms. Hopefully I don't go back to it, but when you get in that ugly stage where your hair is growing out, there's nothing to do. Can't fit in a ponytail, can't get like a pixie cut or nothing like that. So it's like that ugly stage. So hopefully I do not go back to a perm. I'm getting gray hair. I actually got way more than that. It's only around the edges. I might have some in the middle. I'm not sure. I can't see.
Something here. If this hotel were called Conti instead of Baxter, no one would dare encroach on our territory.
I don't feel like getting up. It's 12:26 and I'm still in the bed. I don't feel good at all. But I'm gonna try to get up. Hopefully y'all can hear me because I'm talking on this damn TV loud. Fall maintenance while being sick. I ain't even fully sick. It's starting to get there. So I'm trying to catch it. Need to make a list of what I'm gonna get done. So, brows, chair, nails, wax, hair done. I think that's it.
No one ever heard from him again.
If not, I'll add some more. But right now, that's it. So yeah, let's get up. I'm gonna lay back down. Oh my god. But I'm not gonna complain, even though I'm complaining. I'm in the car. I'm going to go do it. I just don't know where I want to go first. Maybe I should go get my threading. And then, but I want to go to Walmart first. I do want to go to Walmart first and get this out the way because Walmart is where I'm at. But I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. I might not feel like nothing, but at least I should look like something, right?
But I'm gonna record once I get in there. I'm breathing hard as hell. Hey, Miss Brandy. You know how like when people have like the red dots right there? What is it called?
Red dot?
Mm-hmm.
The tika.
What is, how you pronounce it?
Tika.
Tika.
Sindoor means just married women. They're putting on the forehead.
So only married women. Oh, okay.
When they get married and like people doing the same thing for ring. But we also do ring, but most important is the sindoor.
So the hair is sindoor, but the forehead is
The tika.
Tika. Okay. I like that culture. Trying to think about you can't really see it right now because I'm driving. I want to go skinny, but she always tell me no, like don't go too skinny. One time I went too skinny, so ever since then I scarred myself. She's like, you know what, I'm gonna stop saying something, which I ain't even mad at her. But I'll show y'all a little better when I get to the house. I'm about to go to McDonald's right quick and get some fries because your girl is hungry. Your girl is hungry. So I'm about to do that, and then I'll probably go to the ATM right quick. But that's it for today. Today is Monday. I'm sorry. Today is Monday, October the 14th. My mouth is dry. Spit is forming on the side of my mouth. That's nasty. That's nasty. That's not ladylike, but it happens. Hey, can I get a large fry with light salt and then a large sweet tea with no ice?
No problem, anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all, sweetie.
Alright, what's your first one up?
Okay. So let's see.
Yeah, you doing?
How you doing? I got a coupon.
Okay.
$88.71, sweetie.
Here you go, you have going, okay?
Thank you, you too. That's why I pay with my cash app. Cause you know I'm about to put my little dollar. How you doing? Pretty good.
Do you want ketchup and sauce for your fries?
Ketchup, please. Thank you so much. moisturizer. Damn, y'all. What time? I can't even see what. 2 o'clock? Damn. Traffic is traffic. Alright. I can't hold the camera and eat because I already cleaned my hands and I ain't doing it again. Bye. It's cold out here, y'all. Alright, I'm about to go. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm about to go to the hair store right quick. Cause she's about to come over to my house and do my hair. When I come back, I'm gonna try to condition it right quick and blow dry it. Damn. I'm still here, waiting. Well, no, I'm not waiting no more. She texted me. I got the hey boo text. Oh my god. This is not cute. My nose is leaking. Oh my god. Ugh. Damn, ain't nothing coming out. I'm gonna give me iced coffee because I'm not hungry. I feel like my mouth is wet. Today I get my nails done. And I broke my damn chain. I don't know how I did that. And it's cold outside too. It's like I'm excited to go, but I'm not.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Dunkin' Donuts. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I got a mobile order for Nola.
For Nola?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me wipe my hands off. I hope it's good. I got a small vanilla iced coffee with 4 pumps of vanilla, 4 liquid sugar, and 3 creamers. So yeah.
There you go. You have a great day.
Catch some napkins, please. And you have a great day too.
You too.
Thank you. She was so sweet. See, alright, I got my coffee. No, they used to say God is, but I switched it. Everybody keep saying it. Alright, it's getting a little hot. Alright, damn. Oh, it's not bad. Maybe I'll stick with small because medium. So yeah, next time I see y'all, I'll be in the car. I'm going to my nail appointment, which is in a couple hours. She wanted me to come a little earlier because I booked for a refill. Baby girl, you ain't got no nails on. Which I'm glad she said something about it. So. Knock. I'm sorry, girl. I ain't even. You want? No, you good girl. Rung the doorbell and walked in. I said, "Bitch, you ain't nobody say come in or nothing." My little cousin. She in the bed. So like sleep. Oh, I'm gonna go see her then. By time yelling. Hey, my cousin. I ain't gonna put the camera on. Baby girl got to get that tea. I'm gonna show y'all my nails when I get home.
That girl eating good, got her hair done, thinking life is just great. Little does she know, the next week is going to be hell on that scalp. Y'all don't know how, when, where. But when she was doing it, it wasn't that tight. I could, it was okay. But the next day, it slowly started burning. Like, my scalp felt like it was on fire. Day after day, and then I had to go out of town that Wednesday because I got my hair done on that Monday. So Wednesday I had to go out of town just for a day. It was hell. I just stayed in the hotel room most of the time. I couldn't make it. I couldn't do nothing, even though I was doing something with my sister. But as you see in the picture, look right there, it just got worse and worse. It was bad. But now my hair is like slowly getting back to normal. I use Sulfur 8, which I'm gonna put a picture at the end. I'm gonna give my hair 2 weeks and I'm gonna take it out. Hopefully this Sulfur 8 helps. Right now it is helping, but it's healing slow. But I'm not in a rush. So y'all see the results in another video. So see ya.
Baby, you got it. You look like a goddess. You got me mesmerized just by your body. Hey, here's